Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money, how you can earn BTC mining BTCs on this Satoshi app, right? So welcome. With this thing I'm about to show you right now, you can make over $40 weekly mining BTC on this particular app. So the first thing you need to do right now is to check the link in the comment section after watching this video to go and sign up your account. Just follow the process, click on the link, put in your email and your password, then they will send you an email in your email inbox. Check it and verify your account, and that is all. Then once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon here, start mining. Once you click on it, it will tell you that you need to verify your real name in order to start mining. So you click on it, click on verify, then put in your details and run your verification. I'm going to pause this video right now to do that, and we'll continue after this. So once you put in your details and you click on verify, they will bring out a camera for you where you are going to put your face and just follow whatever the camera is telling you to do, and you'll be verified. You can see I'm already verified. Then you return back to the main menu and you can now click on mine. So you see you can manage then start mining successfully. You can manage the my factory close. So you can see it's already mining, right? You can see it here. It's already mining BTC giveaway and a whole lot of other stuff that they have here. You can click on receive hash. That is if you have people who wants to send you some hash to increase your earnings. But then you can click on receive benefit. That is after you must have received benefit successfully, receive 0.00. So you can see, just keep doing it little by little. You can see this receive I just clicked on now here, right? Yeah, so for every 24 hours you come here and click on receive benefit. This is how you are going to do it till you get to the minimum withdrawal of 0.002. So that is it. This app helps you in free BTC straight to your Binance account, straight to your Trust Wallet account, anywhere at all you want it to be sent to. All you just need to do is take out your time every day, come here, click on start mining, and that is all. Click on start mining and that is all. It's not really going to take much of your time. If you really want to make money, you can take a look at their white paper to study what they are into very well, if you really have that time to go through the whole process. But it pays totally well. It pays. I've confirmed the withdrawal, and I can tell you that if this site is not working, I'm not going to bring it to you, because I value my viewers and I know that I want to give them only information that will make them money, right? Yeah, it's from the app. That is when you must have reached the limit, when you must have reached the minimum withdrawal limit, which is 0.002. All you just need to do is come here. You can see this down part. You see where they wrote me. You click on me, then you click on your asset. Click on it. You see you have BTCs, you have BTC, and you have ETH. So you can see this is a new account which I created for the purpose of this training. You click on the BTC where you have some value, then you click on withdrawal or transfer. You need to set up your password. So once you click on withdrawal, you'll be asked to set up your password. So let me see. Okay, put in my password. Login password asset. So you put in your login password, the password you used in creating this account. Then you put in your asset password. Which password do you want them to request from you? Which password you want to be putting anytime you want to withdraw money from this your account? So that is what you are going to do here. You put in your main password. So I put that in here. Then access password cannot be less than 6 characters. So asset password set successfully, you click on close. Then you can now come here and click on withdrawal, but no, you don't have the minimum withdrawal that you can withdraw, right? So that is it. You can check through the whole process to see it. You can also go on YouTube, go on Google, search about this to see that they are actually paying. So that is it. I hope you learned something from this video. The name of this app is Satoshi app. So check the link in the description for the registration link. Click on it, sign up your account. Then once you are done signing up your account, you are going to see a APK download link. Click on it and download the app, and that is it. You are good to go. There is no much thing here. This is a very perfect way for you to make a lot of money just doing little things, right? So that is it. I hope you learned something from this video. Do well to hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it via the comment section, and you can also join my Telegram crypto community. See you in there. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.